Respected Shri Tripathi ji, Secretary, Ministry of Petroleum and Natural Gas, Mr. Ashok, Chairman, IUC and Chairman, Petrofed, Mr. Raghuvendran, President, Refinery Business, and also the Vice Chairman of Petrofed. Minister was to be with us during this evening, but as Vimy announced earlier, he had to go for a, we had the information up to 5:30 that he is going to be here at 6 o'clock, but then suddenly he had to rush for an important meeting, but he has conveyed his best wishes to the award winners. Thanks Secretary Saab that he is with us to give away the awards. But before I begin further, let me please encompass a very warm welcome to all of you for this function. Thanks to all the participants, all the industry leaders who are here with us. I would also like to take the opportunity to congratulate all the award winners who truly deserve the honor for brilliance in performance. As you know, the scheme of Petrofed Awards was started in 2007 and is open to all the companies operating in India, including those who are not members of Petrofed. There is no fee, entry fee for applying for these awards. The qualifying criteria has been very well defined and documented for these awards, and to ensure competition, we also see that minimum number of applicants must be there in each category, otherwise the award is not given to anyone. In some of the cases where the runner-up is so close, a special commendation has also been recommended by the awards committee and ratified by the jury. We are grateful to Honorable Mr. Justice M.N. Venkatachalya, the former Chief Justice of India, who heads the Petrofed Awards jury, and its members Dr. Anil Kakodkar, who is with us, the former Chairman of Atomic Energy Commission, and Mr. Naresh Narad, former Chairman of the PESB, and also the Secretary to Government of India. Unfortunately, he has not been able to join so far. He informed me that he will join a bit late. I also thank the Chairman of the Awards Committee, Dr. Pradipto Ghosh, Distinguished Fellow Terry and former Secretary to the Government of India, and all the other members of the Awards Committee who had several rounds of meetings to finalize their recommendations, which were later on ratified by the jury. Last year, we had introduced a new award category of the Game Changer Company of the Year award, which was added. And this year, we have introduced a new award to recognize the City Gas Distribution Company of the Year. The flagship award of Leading Oil and Gas Corporate of the Year, which was given earlier, has now been changed to Responsibly Growing Corporate of the Year, and some of the parameters which contribute towards the responsibly growing factor have also been added. For the 2015 awards, we had received 103 applications. You can imagine a large number of applications which were received, and it is very heartening that we particularly had very overwhelming response for the Women Executive of the Year award, and also the Innovator of the Year award in team category. In the individual category for Innovator of the Year, we had several entries, but most of them were of a nature which could have gone into the team category, so that awards committee did not recommend anyone for that. So we propose to bring in more clarity while seeking applications for Innovator of the Year individual from next year. This year, no award has been recommended in the category of Drilling Services Company of the Year, as well as for the Project Management Company of the Year, as we received less than the minimum specified number of applications in these categories. We are considering some modifications in the scheme to receive more entries in these categories, which are very important and critical. I will seek your suggestions, which we can incorporate when we announce the next year awards. All of you are welcome to send your suggestions. Thank you once again for being with us. Before I conclude, I would like to again congratulate all the winners. Thank you very much for being with us. Vimy, forward to you.